7 reasons why you should use garlic in your recipes and meals. The concentrated equivalent may be approximately 2 cloves in several studies.
Onions, scallions, leeks, and shallots are all members of the allium plant family. Dr. Brazilian advises using a lot of garlic in hummus, pesto, spaghetti, sauces, stir-fries and roasted veggies. After all, it's chock full of health benefits, 7 of which are listed here. 1. Garlic may aid in the reduction of blood pressure.
Garlic promotes nitric oxide generation, which dilates blood arteries, while also inhibiting ACE angiotensin-converting enzyme activity, Raj explains. ACE inhibitors aid in the relaxation of blood arteries. This may help to maintain normal blood flow and pressure.
2. Garlic may assist in the treatment of inflammation.
Garlic, on the other hand, Raj claims aids in the inhibition of the action of some inflammatory proteins.
When compared to a placebo group, women who took 1,000 milligrams of garlic supplements per day for 8 weeks had lower inflammatory markers, less pain and fatigue, and fewer tender joints in a randomized, controlled, double-blind study of 70 women. Three. Garlic may assist with cholesterol reduction.
May aid in the reduction of cholesterol synthesis by the liver. Four. Garlic may help the immune system.
Here's one incentive to include garlic to your meal tonight, given our common eagerness to learn about how to care for our immune systems during the COVID-19 pandemic.
While there isn't enough data to show that garlic can prevent or treat the common cold, it can help your body's defense mechanisms in a variety of ways. 5. Garlic may help to prevent blood clots. Compounds in garlic and onions have been demonstrated to reduce the stickiness of our platelets and have anti-clotting capabilities.
These factors may help prevent atherosclerosis, a condition in which plaque buildup causes the arteries to stiffen and narrow. 6. Garlic is packed with antioxidants.
According to a paper published in Antioxidants in July 2020, garlic's minerals and plant components offer high antioxidant effects. 7. Garlic enhances the flavor of other healthy foods. Garlic brings great flavor to foods, so it helps us eat more of the foods that we're supposed to be eating more of, like vegetables, whole grains, lean protein.